Hey guys, today we're going to start up another print. I'm giving the Artillery3D Sidewinder a little bit of a break. I've been printing ear savers on the thing for a few weeks now, just straight. I'm going to go ahead and continue a project for my niece Cassy back in Colorado. It's going to be another one of the items in the series of items I'm printing for. This one is going to be a skull, I believe it was, part of the dark crystal set that she sent me. So I'm going to go ahead and get the thing sized up correctly in Cura and slice it, and I will put it on the Sidewinder and see how it turns out. I'll see you guys at the end of the time lapse. I won't lie, when I came out here last night about 11 p.m. to change out the filament because I knew it wasn't going to have enough, I did not expect this thing to finish. The support tower for over here fell off long before it got up to this point. And let me make sure I get this all on camera here. How in the world did that tooth... Maybe it just didn't need that much support material? I honestly thought when I looked at the slicer that would not have printed without support. I might have been wrong about that. Apparently I was, because it printed. Of course, how in the world did that tower start printing there whenever there was nothing underneath it but just loose filament? Oh goodness. Let me clean this up a little bit. Let's see what we got. I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. The fact that the teeth printed like that is just freaking me out, because I honestly didn't think they were going to print. I expected to come out this morning and find the whole top side of this thing just completely just destroyed and have to start all over. Now I do have a few little splits here, especially where just before I changed the color of the filament. It looks like the filament itself, the color change didn't affect nothing, but I see a little split here, a few layers down. I also see a little split right here, which, once again, this is something I went over with Cassie in the past, and with the other one, I think that's going to be easily fixed. She's got to paint it, work it, make it look, exactly the way she wants, but that is just insane. I really think she's going to like that one. That's crazy. I did not expect that to turn out. I honestly didn't. That is a pleasant surprise, I'll tell you. I'm probably going to let her take care of the last part of this down here. That way she can use tools or whatever to cut that off the rest of the way. I'm just kind of leery about splitting and all that. But wow, that actually turned out way better than I thought it was going to turn out. That is crazy. That is crazy. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.